friends, it's Kim with Sweet Daisy Creations. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So good to see you. Well, as you can see, I have a bunch of Dollar Tree leaves in my hands. Yes, I went back to Dollar Tree. I went over there the other day, actually looking for a couple birthday cards, and I had been watching a few videos here lately. I've seen some people do some fall, DIYs and things like that. So I went over there to see if I could find some of the things people were using to make these DIYs and do some of my own DIYs for fun, something to do and to keep busy. Not thinking about my daughter going off to college, that kind of thing, something to keep my mind off things. But anyways, so I bought a bunch of leaves. They're actually about this big. Actually get quite a few on a bunch. There's how many stems on here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stems. And I bought 10, so I spent $10 on these, quite a few. And I bought one of these willow wreaths, and these are gonna end up on the wreath. I've always wanted to do this, y'all. I'm not sure this wreath is actually gonna work as well as I'd like it to, but I wanna make a leaf wreath, if that makes sense, just with leaves all over it and a bow. I just think it'd be so cute. I've seen them before. I don't want to put berries on it, nothing else, just leaves and a bow. And I just think it'll be so cute with all these colorful leaves. I'm pretty sure that'll be enough for this. But I may go look for like a regular grapevine wreath, because I think I'll have better luck gluing things into it, because I'm going to be gluing all these leaves on here. I thought it would look better or work better maybe with a wreath that, because I did have trouble when I made wreaths, made flowered wreaths with these, especially the ones I did for 4th of July. It was hard getting the stems in here because this is so tightly woven, so it's hard to get your little stems in. And when I'm thinking about doing all these leaves and gluing them all in here, so they're all going to go every which way and look so super cute and give it a fullness, I'm not quite sure this wreath is going to work out. So I may end up going to Hobby Lobby or somewhere to get a better like grapevine wreath maybe. But anyways, that's one of the things I want to do. I just think it'll turn out super cute with all these leaves on it and just be a simple wreath but fun. And I know I will be doing my color for fall. I'm not going to go away from that. I do love the colors of fall so very much. I mean, I will do a little bit of a farmy aspect probably in this room especially, as far as how I decorate it for fall. But I will have color around too, and especially in my family room in the entryway. It'll be around, the color is for sure. But I thought one of these wreaths would be so adorable, so I can't wait to work on it. So I think this is gonna be fun, and maybe I'll do, we'll do a video together, or I'll do a live where we could chit chat while I work on this, because it's just gonna be time consuming, just, gluing all the little leaves in. So I thought it would be a cute little fall, kind of a DIY to do. So anyways, I did buy those things at Dollar Tree, and I also, I should have picked up more of these picks. I only picked up one that has the pumpkins on it, because I'm not sure. It looks like something's missing off the top of this, unless it's just the leaves. I don't know, maybe I'm missing well, this one's that way too, so maybe it's just leaves. I don't know if it had anything else that went up on it. But anyways, it's just got a pumpkin and some berries. I should have picked some more of these up, but I didn't. Then I got 2 other bags here from Dollar Tree. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, I saw, I'm sorry, my chick on the cheap, my girl Jane, she made these, and I thought they looked so cute, so I'm going to do some of these too. I bought 3 of these milk things, and they're not very big. They're probably maybe 5 inches tall. They're not very big, but I'm going to paint these white with chalk paint, so I bought 3. And then she had these little tags she put on them, and some some jute string, so I think they would be super cute when they're finished. I don't know if any of you watch her, but they came out adorable, and I wanted to make some. I thought they'd look cute anywhere in the house for any time of the year, actually, with different florals in them or whatever. So I bought 3 of these because they finally had these back at the Dollar Tree. They did, I actually was lucky to find them because a lot of times when I go to Dollar Tree, I don't find what other people find. So I was real happy to find these so I could do this little DIY project. I think it'll be fun. So there's that. And then, of course, with flower arrangements and stuff like that I always do, I'm actually working on something right now. I bought some more of this reindeer moss. I usually get this from Dollar Tree, so I bought 2 bags of it. I think that's all they had left, actually. I took the last 2 bags. So I got those. And then I bought a bunch of their signs, and I have some of these, but I'm going to probably DIY some of these too. I got this one that is Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes, but this is all glittered. So I think I'm going to DIY this. I mean, obviously you could use it just like this, or you could paint it a different color or whatever, take your sticker off and just do the other side, which is what I might do, for some more of a farmy look in this area of my house. So that's possible that this will be DIY'd, but of course, this time when I went, that one shelf that I told y'all was like in the back of my store that they decorated, it was practically empty, so people did find it. But yeah, they haven't added anything else to the store yet. I did ask the guy, and he said it may be coming on the next truck, more stuff. So I guess I need to check back weekly and see how the fall stuff's coming along. But anyway, so there's that. I got another one of these because I thought maybe I could DIY something else on here. Since I already have one of these, I think I'm going to end up painting it, painting the front plain and then adding something else to the front that makes it different from this, for fall or for, an everyday type of sign. So I'm going to be probably DIYing this into something different. I got these pumpkins like this that say, "Welcome Friends," and it's got a sunflower on it, and that's a piece of wood there. These are cute enough on their own and great for fall, but you can always turn it around and, paint on the other side or put some kind of fabric on the other side and make them look different, so you could actually, turn them if you felt like it. So this is something I might do that with, or it might just set out like this during fall. I'm not sure. But I just kind of wanted to do some DIYs, so that's why I went. So I got this other one too. And it's Hello Fall, and of course it's got glitter, and this pumpkin's raised on here, and and the little raffia bow. But again, it would look cute if you did scrapbook paper or fabric or just burlap, whatever you wanted to do on the back, and change it up a bit so that you could flip it, from side to side or whatever area you have it in. And I just thought it might be fun to change it up a bit. So I'm going to try that. And then I bought this book, not for the book, but for the cover, or not from the cover, but for the book itself, because it's all white. And I've seen a lot of people take these white books and just tie it up with a piece of jute string, and they look great as like decor in a farmhouse setting. So if they'd had more than one, I would have bought a couple. But this was the only one they had like this. It's actually by the lady, her name is Shantae Feldman. She's a lady that writes like books about marriage and what else does she write about? How almost like how men can get along with women and women get along with men and that kind of thing. This is the good news about marriage. I don't know if I'll ever read it. It says debunking discouraging myths about marriage and divorce. But I didn't get it for the read. I got it for the book, the cover on the book. So that's why I bought that. And then I bought a birthday card for my sister because her birthday's coming up soon, and my husband's too. So that's towards the end of the month. But anyway, so that was everything from Dollar Tree. So I'm excited to work on that wreath, and I'm excited about doing those bottles. And then whatever else I decide to do with those signs, I'm excited to try those DIYs. And that's another reason I went to Dollar General. I went, one, to see if they had anything fall out yet, and I didn't see anything. But I also wanted to see if they had anything that I could use to DIY. Because some of the DIYs I've seen are so cute. Not that I need a lot, because I really have a ton of fall. I really have a lot. You know, if you've watched any of my last 2 years fall videos, you know I have a lot of fall decor. So I don't really need a lot of fall decor, but these you could use and make into any other like everyday piece of decor. So that's what I'm thinking about doing here. So they had their like spring line of items 50% off at Dollar General. So I picked up a couple things. So the first one I bought was this sign, and it's very pretty. I mean, I could just keep this till next spring and put it up, but it says blessed, and it's got some really pretty flowers on it, you know, pink with purples. And yes, I broke my nail. I got to go get my nails done. But it has pinks and purples and a little bit of green, and this is kind of a greenish, tealish blue, you know, blue color. So it's very pretty on its own, and it does have the hangers on the back here, you know, the sawtooth hangers. It was originally $4, but I got it for $2. So I'm thinking I might, you know, paint this and put some kind of sign on it, or like I said, I might just keep it for next year because it's kind of pretty all in its own with the flowers and everything. But that was my thought when I bought it, thinking I'd DIY it. And this stuff is definitely just paper on here that they put on the MDF, because I can feel it on the edge. Like it's kind of peeling up on this little corner right here. So this is just, you know, all they've done is either Mod Podged it on here or glued it on, because this one's actually coming up a little bit on this edge. But you could definitely take these little sawtooths off on this side and flip it over and put them on the painted, or that papered side. Take your sticker off and then paint this side, and make your own sign of some sort for your home. You know, I can use my Cricut, or there's all kinds of printables you can find, you know, to put onto things. So always search the internet for that kind of stuff. Different printables that are, you know, free printables that you could probably put on your signs. But anyways, it's real cute to begin with, but I'm going to probably DIY this. And then this is another one that I bought. So that one was $2. And for, you know, just for the piece of wood, that's a good, you know, and it's MDF. That will be good. Then I got this Enjoy the Little Things. It's cute too. And these are, again, you know, just pieces of paper on there. This one is kind of whitewashed already, so that's kind of cool. But this, again, is paper. So I don't know if I can peel that off of there and then paint it, or if I can paint, I'd hate to paint right over this, so we'll have to see how that works. I might be able to get it off so that I can use the box for some kind of sign that, you know, I could use in, you know, one of my 3-tier trays. I mean, this is kind of big for that, but on a shelf or wherever for some other time of year, just some kind of generally farm sign or something. So that is kind of my thought with this, and the other one I got too. I got another one. And this one looks like this, Love Grows here. And they're very pretty. Don't take me wrong. I mean, they're very pretty, but the reason I went was trying to find some cheap alternatives to use things like this to DIY with. So like I said, they're very pretty, but it definitely is paper on there. And this one's definitely starting to come up. So you could definitely use these to make your own signs for, you know, if you wanted to make them for a fall, you know, kind of sign, or if any kind of other, you know, just like a regular farmhouse sign. So I bought 2 of those, and they're both like that, kind of distress on the sides and stuff. So really, if you could get this off and just paint the front, you're all set. All you have to do is do your design or whatever you want to do. So these were each $1 a piece. They were 50% off at the store. But they are cute to begin with, you know, with the pretty colors and everything. But I was thinking DIY. And then they had a little, like, it wasn't like an end cap. It was like a, like a shelf, you know, that sat, or a, what do you call it? A product display. They had a product display with some, well, planner stuff. That's what it is, planner. I had to think there for a minute. with planner stuff. So these are super cute. They were $1 a piece. They have 2 stickers each. And these are like the trim you can put on your planner, you know, to decorate it. So there's 2 of these, and it looks like it's split up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's got 5 different, you know, planner things. And then I got these stickers, which are so stinking cute, with flowers and stuff, and so cute. And then I think the other side's just the same. Yeah, they're both the same. So those are adorable. And then I got these page flag stickers. Say that 10 times fast or 5 times fast. But these have like they say appointment, bill due, important, some flowers, love this, to-do list, make it happen, do it today. And then this one has like reminder, don't forget, get it done, goals, celebrate, weekend, you know, just different things for the planner. And I'm always looking for cheap stuff to put in my planner. You know, because I do love working on my planner. I just did my pages for this past week. I don't share that because I'm not very good at it. I wish I was better at it because I could share it with you, but I'm not very good at the planning, using the stickers. I almost wish there was a process that I could learn, and maybe I'll have to do that on YouTube somewhere, of going from point A to point B to point C to point D, doing your planner, because I tend to want to decorate it first and then go through and pick out my stickers for like, oh, this is payday, or these bills are due, or this or that and the other, or, you know, they've got ones for coffee, for a mani-pedi, and, you know, all different kinds of things you can throw in there. And I just don't do it very well. So that's why I don't do it on YouTube, because I'm not very good at it. And then the other thing, they had this tablecloth. So I was super excited to get this. It's a black and white check tablecloth. It has something on here. It is 52 by 70 inches. So it's not for a large table. I think it's about the same size as that other like tablecloth I bought that I'm using on my ladder now. The one that I got for Amy's senior table, that one. I could probably do the same thing with this, hang it on my ladder, or I could see if it would fit on my table in the kitchen, but we'd have to take a leaf out of the table first, I think, because I don't think it would fit on there right now, because the table, we have 1 leaf in there right now, and we just never took it out like after the holidays. And so that's what we'd have to do to make this fit. But I think it would look cute on my ladder during fall, you know, because I'm going to do my buffalo check during the fall time. And of course at Christmas time too, it would be cute to use on my ladder. So even though it's a tablecloth, it'll still work on a ladder, you know, I think. Anyways, that's my haul. I don't have anything else, but I am going to be doing these DIYs, so watch for those. I really want to do those on video. I'm excited about making this wreath with the leaves. I know it's a simple process. It's just time consuming, so I want to do that maybe with you on video. And I'm going to do painting my bottles and decorating those up. We'll do that soon too. And of course, I've got a lot of little fall things I'm fixing to start doing, so be watching for all those. And I've got that wreath I want to make too, the one with the white magnolias. So anyways, y'all take care. I love you so much, and I will see you next time. Have a fabulous evening, everyone. Bye.